Today, ladies and gentlemen, it is a awesome day for game development, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because I'm finally at this point where I can redo this whole level layout, and you can see here is my level, and I will redo and rebuild pretty much of it. But first of all, I'll start with another question, like in the previous episodes. My question today is, what is your biggest dream you want to achieve within the next 10 years? So comment below, answer that question below. I'm thrilled to see what your dreams are. And I'm gonna answer this question for you at the end of the video. So make sure to stay until then. Alright guys. Well, this whole debug level was pretty much for testing out stuff and just throwing a bunch of assets in there, like these bones and skulls and toilet paper dropping down there and getting collected, and some tiles who are placed up here weirdly, and some enemies standing around in a random position and stuff like that. Well, I want to change that. Want to have it in a better place and make this whole level more playable. So, and therefore, one of the things I'm gonna need is on the window 2D, and there is my tile palette, and this tile palette is for actually painting all this stuff on the grid. So I want to redo some things here, and I think one of the things to do is to remove those test tiles up there. I'm gonna remove them real quick, and look, this is awesome. This is really actually like painting in the level, and I really like that. And yeah, that's just awesome. Alright, let me think. I think I want to have... Can I sort them? No, I can't really. I was wondering if I can sort those and put them in a better order, but I can't. But that's no problem. Let me just get the pencil. So what I want to do here, I want to test out a few things, then there will be the next one, and from there you can jump down here. I want to give the player a way to avoid the enemies down here, but to make it worth getting down there, I will place some items they can collect. Right, let me just test for a second. So, with the simple jump, yeah, it's easy to get over here. Maybe I can expand this a little bit. I have to test this. And then apply this down here, you can climb up there. Alright. Let me see what happens if I remove this one. Not looking pretty now. This would be 3 blocks. A distance of 3 blocks, and is it reachable? I think not. Let me test again. Can I reach it? Okay, run, jump! No, I can't reach it. Okay. So I know for sure I have to go with a maximum distance of 2 tiles in this direction, but I could go further up like this, place it here, and then remove that. That should be also working. This would be a 2x2 2x2 distance. Let me see if I can reach it. Oh yes, I can, but it's really difficult. Oh yeah. Restart the level. Test again. I just want to get a feel for this distances. Look, this is really hard. You can manage to get up there, but it is really hard, and I don't think I want to have something that is frustrating for the player at the beginning of the level, so I will remove that real quick. Okay. Well, that's one thing. Then you can jump down there. And we have a pretty normal thing going down here. There's the first drop with some obstacles. And here comes this whole section. I think I want to extend back here. So I want to do some more stuff here. Let me just test something. That's not fitting well. What I like to do, let me see, how can I do that? I'd like to have something like a platform. If I'm on the same level, it should be possible to jump 3 blocks far. So I would have something like that. And get down here. Like this. Alright. Yeah. Let me just grab the player real quick. And I want to move the player way over there so that I can test easier and I don't have to get over there all the time. So I'm putting him here. Hit play. There we go. Whoops. Try again. Wow. So this is it seems like, oh yeah, it's wow. Okay. Over here there is a trigger. There is a trigger for the load next level. You can see it here. I'm gonna move it up there. Or maybe I will place it down here. So when you fall down there and you're getting lucky, then you are in the next level. So let's test again. There we go. Okay, you can get up there, but it is a bit hard. So you have to jump precisely and then really hold the space bar to get over there. Oh, you see, that was close. That was really close. Okay, and that's then not enough, and I'm in here. Okay. Well, it is challenging actually, but I think I will leave it there because the player should be able to jump over there, and maybe the player has already enough skulls to unlock the double jump, and then it's easy peasy. Okay, that's one thing. What I like to do next is get over here. Now I'm gonna make it a little bit easier. But it looks easy, but it isn't easy. So I'm gonna put this there. And then I want to have something like this tile. I'm going to paint it here. And then I'm gonna paint this over. Where is my tile? I think I need this one. Yep. That's what I need in here. And then I'm gonna take the standard tile, make a bottom, and where is it? There it is. Oh well, now I have to take it here. And then, and this is pretty messy here. It's there. This tile. And then I need this one over here. Then I can use the dark tiles like there. Fill up the space. Okay, what I also want to do is I want to grab that dead bush. This one. And I'm gonna put it up there. So it's pretty clear to the player that he shouldn't fall down there. Duplicate. And duplicate. And there we are. Okay, let me bring back the tile palette. There we are. Just gonna close the section over here. Ba-da-ba-ba-da. There we go. Whoops. That was one too far. There we go. Alright, and then I want to climb somewhere up in the sky. Up in the sky. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Something like that. Rup. There we go. Okay, this is what is happening here. And then I'm gonna set some kind of a dead end here, which the player can't get over. I'm just playing around with stuff, so this is not the final thing or the ultimate thing here, but I'm just trying to play around with stuff and fill in those things. Is there a way how I can? Oh, I can remove it with shift. Oh, that's good. That's great. I'm wondering if there is a way to make bigger selections and fill them up. Paint a filled box. Okay, that's the tool. I guess that, yeah, that's the tool. Okay. So, and then I want to get down there. Use one of these tiles. And then this one. And then those. Get over here. Maybe make another drop. Yeah, I will definitely do a drop here. Drop it down there. And grab the other one. I'll make it really small so that it's not obvious that you have to get down there. I want to make things exciting and some of the parts hidden. I think I should close up this as well. Oh, there we go. This one there. There we go. All right. Okay, look at this. Okay, that's getting better actually. I'm gonna use those, never used them before, to end it up here. Let me see, how does that look? Oh. I want to do some kind of cave down here. Let's make it big. Big is good. Let me have some coffee. All right. What can I use now for transitioning this thing here? Because next thing I want to have is this tile running downwards, and I want to have some kind of transition over here. But it seems like we don't have any tile I could use for transitioning this. So I will leave it like that for the moment. Making this cave. Cave like that. Huh. I don't have so much tiles or tile variations. I think I got a message on my phone. Yes, I did. So, guys, excuse me for 1 minute. I'm back right here in 1 minute. So there I am, finally back. It has been raining outside this night. That's the first rain in a couple of weeks. We had such a nice weather. Alright, let's get over here. I will make a little spacing here and then drag all that stuff right over here. Make this cave huge until here. Remove this tile. Where is my transition tile? Transitioning tile, there it is. And then have it up like there. And the corner tile is here. Alright. Yes. Let me just fill up those blocks. And have another row of blocks down here. Blocks. So many blocks. Sorry guys. Yeah, I will drag it down like this, just to fill things up. And I guess I have to do the same thing over here, because the camera will be driving around there. Alright, let's do the drop. Droppy. There we go. Whoop. Whoops. There we go. Alright, that's the drop. Good. So what I want to do here, I want to add a little extra thing. Something like having this here. Having this there. So, like this. And then on the other side, same thing. Or maybe there. That looks better. Gonna remove that tile. Fill it up. There. There. Remove those transitioning tiles. There we go. Transition. There is the transition. There we go. Oh, that looks a lot better. Yes. And then back in here in the cave there will be a special thing. Alright, and do you know what there will be? I want to have the player enter this cave, and there will be something like bones. Bones and skulls. Did I make this item word spawner a prefab? No, I didn't. I should do that. Item word spawner. There we go. I think I should remove all of those. Yes, I'm gonna remove those. And I think I don't need the PF pill because it's a item world spawner, so I can delete it as well. So I'm gonna take that one. Do I have a sprite renderer for the bone? What the heck? So gonna place the bone here. Traps are up here. I should organize my stuff in here. Here's the grid. I should have something like collectibles. I'm gonna add a crate empty. Collectibles. I'm gonna drag it up here. Then I'm gonna put the item world spawner in there. Then I can just duplicate that one. Put it over here, and now I can say, okay, I want to spawn a skull. And to make it complete and obvious, I should take the skull here. Okay, my alarm clock is ringing. That means I have just 5 minutes left until I have to go to my main job. So I'm gonna hurry up right now. Duplicate that once again. Gonna pull it over here because I want to show you real quick what I like to do over here. And I'm gonna change the sprite for visualization to toilet paper, and then I'm gonna say I'm gonna spawn toilet paper amount of 20 20 toilet paper for all the stupid guys and gals who are hoarding toilet paper in these days. This is one of the most ridiculous things I experience here, especially here in Germany. This is really crap. Alright, I want to test this real quick before I head over to my main job. So let's save and hit play actually. See what we got here. And let's jump over this gap, and I'm falling down. Alright, let's test again. Didn't manage to jump over there. There I am. Oh, and we have an issue here. That's on the main camera. We got a maximum camera position on the x-axis, and I'm gonna increase that to something about there. Alright, there we go. There are the bushes. Whoops, one of the bushes has a problem here. Is it an old bush? Might be an old bush with a missing component. Let me see. What is he missing? That bush backlight. So it is there. Should be working. That bush backlight. It's all there. Let's just try again. Oh, I get this camera issue again. And because I changed it in play mode, it will not be applied in edit mode. Just gonna change it for now. And now the bush is working. Okay. Let's see. We can jump up here. Then the player stands up here and says, I want to get up there. There's no way up there. Then you can drop down there if you wouldn't die. Starve of hunger. Restart the level. That's the problem when you have... Oh, you can see this is... this can be frustrating for the player. Well, this is a really good example for playtesting the stuff you do. Whoops. Too late. I was hitting the button too late. So this is definitely gonna frustrate my players. There we go. And we have this camera issue again. Wait a second, I want to change it here. There we go. Change it to something like that. There we go. Jump. There we are. Made it. Alright, then you get up here. Get up there. Try to reach this. Maybe with a double jump. And jump down here and we have the same camera issue. Just down here. Well, this is a bit annoying. So I think I should grab some enemy. Duplicate. Whoops. Focus on it. Drag it over here. Because I need something to eat. Otherwise I will starve down there. And there's this other camera issue. I have to change this. Let's go minus 80. Maximize on play. So we at least have full screen. Wow. Main menu, play. Whoa. I definitely have to change this. This is frustrating. Look at that. Okay, I will definitely have to change this. This gap is too big. This is too big. Tile pellets. Get this one. Drag it down here. Remove those. Remove this one. There we go. Tap, tap, tap. Yeah. Okay. Save play. That looks better. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Still dying here. Main menu play. Well, it's not that easy. I'm setting a bit of a challenge here.
make me dumb.
Eat something, drop down here, get in here, pick up the skulls, jump up here, and we have 20 toilet paper down here. Toilet paper! Oh yeah. Well, I want to add there more stuff. I want to add more loot and stuff in here. I want to add piles of toilet paper so that you actually have not only this but maybe do one toilet paper here and then get on there and just stack them up. Stack them up, sorting layer, middle ground. And duplicate. 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 Oh, look at that, guys. For some people, this is the best thing in the world. Stacked up toilet paper. Oh my gosh. I think that isn't really some kind of big deal. Toilet paper. Well, does that look good, guys? That's a huge pile of toilet paper down there. I want to get there. I want to have that toilet paper. Eat the enemy. Jump down here. Get the skull, get the bones, and look at that. There is the toilet paper. Well, you see, I have to do some adjustments on that, but look at that. All the toilet paper in there. Wow. Toilet paper, wow. Toilet paper. Look at this. Oh no, I lost my toilet paper. Alright. So guys, that's it for today. I thank you very much for watching. That was great fun, and I'm looking forward to continue this. And until then, I wish you all the best. But first, before I stop this video, I want to answer the question from the beginning. What is my biggest dream I want to achieve within the next years? And that's definitely, for me, this is running a indie game dev studio, and at least releasing this game or releasing other games, make my money with that, make a living from that. And this is definitely one of my big goals and big dreams I want to achieve within the next 10 years. And I'm really grateful if you follow me on this way, and maybe I can share some experience with all the stuff I do. And so thank you very much, guys, for watching. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Also, sharing is caring. Make sure you share this video at least with one friend or family member. And I wish you all the best. I'm Toby Preacher. I'm out of here. See you in the next one.